Thomilmatic Thomil Professional is glad to present our new complete enzymatic laundry product called Thomilmatic Total. In fact, Thomilmatic Total incorporates an enzyme compound consisting in a pool of 5 different cold-adapted enzymes for a complete solution with a lower pH. It eliminates all type of grease, makeup, fruits, red wine and beverage, blood, tomato sauce, rest of body fluids, and disinfectants from hospitals. It improves the performance of laundry detergents in non-heating water. It whitens whites and revives colors, extending the useful life of textiles. So we can define it as a complete enzymatic laundry detergent for all types of textiles, a complete biological laundry detergent for white and colored clothes. When should you choose a TRIO installation? In small laundry installation with less than 100 kilograms per machine day and with a maximum 20 kilogram capacity per machine, we use only 5 laundry programs supported by the TRIO dosing system. In small laundry installation requesting a big impact in terms of time and supplies, water consumption and electricity use, in small laundry installation that requires a limited technical maintenance, in small laundry installation that wants to move to an automatic dosing system. Now, small installations that were using different types of powder detergents can be converted into a modern installation using professional laundry products manipulating only 3 laundry references. With just 3 products and 1 dosing system, professionals are able to wash all types of clothes. Additionally, it only uses up to 5 different laundry programs. As a result, professionals now are able to wash all types of clothes with 1 complete enzymatic laundry detergent called Thomilmatic Total, supported by our new Thomilmatic TRIO dosing equipment. We obtain excellent results, such as cleaning becomes fast, easy, and more efficient as enzymes break down the tough stains and facilitate easy cleaning. Flexible format compatible with liquid detergents and liquid boosters. Lower rewash rates, that means increased textile lifetime. Low washing temperature, maximum temperature of 50 degrees Celsius required. Lower chemicals waste going to the drain. Great savings in water consumption, electricity cost, time used per drying cycle between 10-20 minutes per cycle, and washing temperature, maximum temperature up to 50 degrees Celsius. Easy installation and maintenance. The sustainable choice is clear as more enzymes mean fewer chemicals and more mild washing conditions. Lower washing temperatures per each laundry cycle. Lower chemical waste going through the drain, less space and handling needed. From an economical perspective, here you can see the cost savings generated in water, electricity, time, washing temperature, and grams of detergent per dosing, using traditional laundry with standard laundry chemicals versus using the Thomilmatic TRIO system. Important saving rates are achieved by using this innovation system, as you can see. For more information, please visit our website www.thomil.com, subscribe to our YouTube channel to be updated with the latest videos, or follow us on social media. Thank you very much for your time.